Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my favorite fall look. I love, first of all, I love fall. I love fall. It's my favorite season. And I'm just excited. I'm ready for this season. Like pumpkin spice everything. Like, what the heck. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite fall look that I love to do every fall. So every fall and also wintertime, I love doing smoky eyes. Like, smoky eyes are just so beautiful for this time of year, and I'm just so like obsessed, and I'm just obsessed with like warm colors too. I've been loving smoky eyes since like last year, for like around this time of year. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this look. Anyways, before we start this video, definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video for more videos like these. After this video is done, feel free to follow all of my social media links down below. Yeah, everything will be linked. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say, so let's get started. So I just pinned my hair to the side, and we're gonna get started with this look.
So I hope you guys don't mind the voiceovers. So I'm going to do a voiceover, and then I'm also going to be doing I'm just going to talk like normal. So I hope this is like okay for you guys. I know it's kind of different. But anyways, I'm just prepping and priming my face right now with my primer and then also my moisturizer as well, because I do have oily and combination skin, so some parts of my face are dry. And I do go into depth about some techniques that I use to manage that. So I will link down my everyday makeup routine video. You guys can go check that out. So right now I am concealing my eyes with the Revolution Concealing Define in the shade C13. And then after I do that, I set it with some translucent powder by Kat Von D. This really helps actually with just making my eyeshadow last a little longer. And I do have oily eyelids, so it actually helps with that as well. Alright, so now I'm starting my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the color Volume Up first as my base color. And then after I use Volume Up, I am going to be using So Gorge as a transition color. So we're going to go ahead and darken up the eyelids a little bit, and we're going to be using the color Total Inspo. And then after Total Inspo, I'm going to be using Smoke Show in the crease of my eyes.
So I just finished my eyeshadow. I think I managed to get that smoky eye look that I used to do all the time. So yeah, so we're gonna put on some lashes now. So I love the Ardell lashes. They are in 421s. These are my favorites. They're very like natural looking. They're so beautiful. So I'm gonna put those on my lash line. So yeah.
So I'm going in with my Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. I love Maybelline products, like honestly. I think I have like 2 of their concealers and like their foundation. I just love their products. They're like the best drugstore products um, for like makeup. I don't know about you guys, but I love a light under eye. Like that's just how I love doing my makeup, when my under eyes are like super light and then everywhere else is just like I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. I care about everybody else. But I just love like a nice light under eye for some reason. Just let me know if you guys are like that too.
Okay guys, so I just put some powder on my face. We're gonna bronze it now. So take my Morphe bronzer. And I love bronzer. I feel like bronzer is as good for like any time of the year. Summer, fall, winter. Like, okay, so I'm done bronzing my face. I'm gonna be taking my really busted up blush palette. When I tell you this is busted, it's busted. This is my really busted up makeup palette. It is by Revlon. I don't know if they still make this palette or not, but I like to use this brush, and this is a technique that I saw. I think it was on TikTok, and they said that I think either one of the Kardashians use this technique. So they put light blush underneath their eyes, and then they use a heavier color on their cheeks. So I'm gonna grab this color, which I would never thought I would use. I'm gonna grab that color, and then I'm just gonna place it right underneath my eyes. I don't know, like it just gives it like this really nice effect. You know what, I'll do one side of the face and then you guys will see what I'm talking about. Basically what it's supposed to do is that it's supposed to bring the cheek color and then your under eye color together so it blends like really perfectly. I haven't used this color in a while, but it's giving me fall vibes. Should I use it? I'm gonna use a little bit because it is a bit dark, but I'm just gonna use like a tad. Yeah, a tad was fine. It's very like plummy. Sorry, I keep getting hair on my face. Alright, so no blush, blush. I'm just gonna put blush on this side so you guys can see what I mean about the under eye blush. I love this blush palette. Like, I hope they still have it. Okay, can you all just see the difference? I see the difference. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely see it. So I started doing this technique a little more recently, so I love this technique. I feel like this makes your cheeks look even like fuller. Like I feel like it just eliminates like the under eye bad look. Okay, yeah, you guys see it right now? I see it. I see it.
So I'm smoking out underneath my eyes with a smaller brush, and I'm using let's see, Total Inspo, and then I'm also using a little bit of Smoke Show. I think this really completes the look.
Okay guys, so we're done with the eyes and the cheeks, the face, all that sort of stuff. So we're gonna go in with the lips. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited for like fall. Like that's what I'm excited for. Oh my god, I cannot forget this palette. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to my new favorite palette. It is by Michaela, and it's, what is it called? Okay, yeah, so it's called Glam Light Pot 2. I believe that's her like accent, pot 2. This palette is absolutely beautiful, and also the color too. This literally just giving me like fall vibes, like green, like this really nice dark green color just gives me like end of the year vibes, you know what I mean, like Christmas, fall, Thanksgiving, like all that sorts of stuff. Oh god, I'm so excited. So anyways, I was looking for a really nice glitter and like highlighter at the same time. So I saw one, I came across Fenty Beauty's, and I saw it, I loved it, I fell in love with it, but the price was just like, I don't know, I'll check back later. Anyways, I was really patient, and I came across this one. My mom came home with it, and oh my god guys, look how pretty the colors are on here. Yeah, so we're gonna try Starstruck. Look at that, that is so pretty. Okay, and then we're gonna try Blinding. That's pretty. And then we're gonna also try Are You Kidding Me? Look how pretty that is. They're both so pretty. Oh. Whoa. That's crazy. Oh my. Don't even look at me because I'm gonna blind you. Oh my god. Like, okay. Forget the glitter on my nose. We're gonna wipe that off. Yeah, y'all just need a little bit of this because wow. I'm putting it everywhere because I just love glitter like that. I'm not really a big fan of highlighter on my nose, so that's why I'm just like wiping it off. But oh my god, like that is just honestly just beautiful. Like, I don't know, I'm just a fan of like glitter, body glitter, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. Okay, so I have my lip liner. So we're gonna line my lips with this lip liner that I got from Amazon, and I don't know the color of it, like the name of it, but what I will do is I will link down the lip liners down below because it comes in like a pack of 8 or 10, so you get so many colors in there. But I mainly use this one obviously because look how much of it I already used. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to use my favorite fall color from Fenty Beauty, and it is called Cookie Jar. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I love this color so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, subscribe, or yeah, down here, and also definitely follow all of my socials down below, and again, feel free to comment if you like, and I really appreciate you guys clicking onto this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.